Next is divisible number divisible by 11. So what is the divisibility test for 11c? Suppose if a number is given and uh, without directly division, without doing direct division, how we can check that a number is divisible by 11 or not? See, 1331, this number you have to take the sum of the digits present in the even place, and again you have to check, you have to take the sum of digits present in the even place. So what is odd place? See, this is first place, first, second, third, fourth. So first and third is what? Odd place, odd number. Okay, all of you already you know what is odd. Odd means the numbers which are in first and third position. Okay, and what is the meaning of even? That means the number in second and fourth position. So what you have to do? You have to add the two numbers present in odd places. That means 1 plus 3. Okay, so you have to write sum of digits in odd places. Okay, so odd places. So this is what? 4. Next we have to check sum of digits in even places. So sum of digits in even places is 3 plus 1. Okay, so 3 plus 1, again it will be equal to what? 4. So see, now what you have to check? The two sum. What you get now? The two sum in even place and sum in odd place. Now you have to write the difference of the two numbers. So what you will do? You have to write the difference. So what will be the difference? Difference will be 4 minus 4, that will be equal to what? 0. So this number is divisible by 11 or not, you have to see. So yes, 0 is divisible by 11. 0 is divisible by any number. Okay, so here you have to check what? If the difference of the two numbers came out to be a number which is divisible by 11, then this number, that is 1331, is also divisible by 11. So you have to check this number. Suppose we are subtracting and it came as 1. So you have to check 1 is divisible by 11 or not. So answer is no, 1 is not divisible by 11. So that means that number will also not be divisible by 11. So which are the numbers which are divisible by 11? Yes, 0 is divisible by 11. Again, if 11 came, then also the number is divisible by 11. So I am giving you one more example of this question. So see the second example, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5. So here you have to add the numbers in odd places first. Okay, so in odd places we have 1, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5. So what is 8? Sum of 8, 3, 5. You have to write 8 plus 3 plus 5. So this is 16. Next, see, in even place we have 1 and 4. So 1 plus 4. The value is what? 5. Now you have to take the difference of this one, 16 and 5. So what will be the difference of 16 and 5? See, this is what? 11. So 11 is what? Divisible by 11? Yes. So the given number, that is 81,345, is also divisible by 11. So here you have to check up to divisible by 11. So now I am going to discuss the two exercises, that is 3.6 and 3.7. Next, chapter checkup you have to do it by yourself, and next I am going to give you some extra question that you have to do as a home assignment. Okay, so when school will open, you have to submit that assignment to me. If you have any doubt in exercise 3.6 and 3.7, you can ask me. Okay, so let us do exercise 3.6 first. So question number 1a, 672, you have to check this number is divisible by 6 or not. So see here, in ones place we have 2, therefore this number is divisible by 2. Yes. Okay, next you have to check for divisible by 3 or not. So for that you have to add all the digits. 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7 will be how much? 13. 13 plus 2, it will be 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. Okay, so 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 672 is also divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say that 672 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore, this is number will be divisible by 6. Okay. So, similar type of question I am going to do now. C number, C. Number C is 7312. So, for divisible by 2, you have to check the ones place. See, ones place is 2. Therefore, this number is divisible by 2. Next, when you have to check for 3, you have to add all the digits. So, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. As you can see, the total number of digits, the sum of the digits is equal to 13, and 13 is not divisible by 3. Okay, 13 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say that this number is divisible by 2 but not 3. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 6. Okay. So, come to question number 2. In question number 2, you have to check that the number is divisible by 8 or not. So, for 8, you have to check the last 3 digits. So, I am going to do question number C of question number 2. See, 8, 2, 5, 6. Now, you have to check the last 3 digits. This is 256. So, you have to divide 256 by 8. So, this is divisible by 8. You can check also by dividing this number with 8. You have to check like this. You have to do long division method. So, see, 8 3s are 24. Remainder will be 1. Then 6. 8 2s are 16. So, remainder is 0. So, we can say 256 is divisible by 8. Therefore, 8256 is also divisible by 8. So, you have to check the last 3 digits. Okay. So, next come to exercise 3.7. In 3.7, in question 1, you have to check for divisibility for 9. So, for that you can do it by yourself, because this is same as for 3. You have to add all the digits and you have to check that the particular number is divisible by 9 or not. So, please try to do it. Next is question number 10. Question number 2. Question number 2, you have to check the number is divisible by 10 or not. For that, you have to check the ones place is ones place. If ones place is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. So, you can see if the ones place is not 0, then number will be not divisible by 10. So, you can easily check it. Next, question number 3, you have to check the number is divisible by 11 or not. So, for 11 already I have discussed, so try to do it. Next, question number 4, you are given 3 digits 7, 2 and 9. You have to form 3 digit number without repeating any of them. That means you have to make a 3 digit number using 7, 2, 9, but without repetition. That means you cannot repeat any of the digit from 7 to 9. Okay. So, first of all, make a digit like that, make a number like that, 279. You can make 279. You can make 297. You can make 729. So, you will get, I think you will get total 6 numbers. Okay. So, you have to check in the 6 numbers, you have to check which are the numbers which are divisible by 3. You have to do it in B. Next, number C is the numbers which are divisible by 9. You have to write in number C. And number D, you have to write the number which are divisible by 6. Okay. So, try to do it and try to do the multiple choice questions also. So, if you have any difficulty, any doubt, you can ask me. I can also take one doubt class. If you have any doubt, you can share the doubts with me. Okay. So, try to do it, and I am giving you home assignment work. So, try to do home assignment work. So, we have completed up till chapter number 3. Okay. So, from 1 to 3 chapters, I am going to give you some questions. So, try to do it. Okay. So, thank you for today.